Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to make watermark in Microsoft Word by any kind of logo or picture. So how can we make watermark? So let's do that. So first we open our Microsoft Word and open a blank document. Now we just go on here, insert option, and there have an option for design, and after design you can see a watermark option. Select on this. Now select custom watermark at the last position. Now you need to select picture watermark. Now select picture, then from file, now find your watermark or picture or logo. Just select from here, then insert, and then confirm it. Okay, here you can see it's already added. Now I just show you, go on view. So here you can see this is your watermark in Microsoft Word. So you can make this watermark by any kind of logo or picture, anything you can use. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.